Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by opening Spotify and signing in. Do it on the device where you want the queue reset. Once inside, tap or click the Now Playing bar to reveal the playback screen so you can access the queue controls. Make sure offline mode is disabled and the app is updated, otherwise queue edits may not sync. Begin by tapping the queue icon and observing the current list. This gives you context for what to remove or reorder next. Now you'll clear the existing items and rebuild deliberately. If your app shows a clear or remove all option, press it to empty the queue. If not, long press or right-click individual tracks and remove them quickly. Once cleared, add tracks by browsing search results or playlists and use Add to Queue or Play Next for precise placement. You can also drag items in the queue to reorder. This step ensures you control playback order instead of letting autoplay. Finish by confirming the queue order on the playback screen and start playing the first track to lock in the sequence. Make sure autoplay is off if you need strict queue-only playback, otherwise Spotify will append similar tracks. If the queue doesn't reflect changes, sign out and sign back in, check for updates, or reinstall the app to resolve sync issues. If a specific track won't remove, pause playback, remove it, then resume. This often clears stuck items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.